Hey, it's Brian Engel with the Lock Team at Realty Group and Semler Construction. I'm over here in Morning Sun of Lindstrom, and we're getting set up for an open house with our Evaline Jane floor plan. We're looking at 1,570 square feet, and you'll see a beautiful open floor plan from the kitchen, dining, living room, and four-season room, or the sunroom, might we say. So I'm going to get the lights turned on, and I'll be right back. You know, this floor plan, I'm telling you, it's got some really nice features. We've got a recessed ceiling, which gives you some room to put the ceiling fan in there, but it just catches your eye. We've also got 3 nice transom windows over here. Beautiful design. And then this four-season room, I'm telling you what, you have a covered porch. Well, you know what? I mean, let me come and give you a tour, a proper tour. Come on down here. So, like I was saying, up here you've got recessed ceiling, you've got the transom windows, beautiful layout. And then on the four-season porch here, look at this covered porch. Outside, not much to screen that one in. And then, you know, since we're going for a walk, you and me, this is second bedroom, second bath, which is a full bath. Laundry room, which is nice to have in between the bedrooms. You've got a huge walk-in closet. And the owner's bath, with a huge walk-in shower. Very low lip down there, minimal tripping hazards. And then the owner's bedroom. Again, we're out in Morning Sun. This is the Evaline Jane floor plan, and it sells for $389,900. We've also got a couple lots available. You'll notice that the lots are pretty deep for this detached townhome community. So you got a lot of space for, you know, pets and kids and whatnot. Come on out or give me a call. It's Brian Engel, Lock Team at Realty Group, 612-703-6899.